Every chocolate bar begins with carefully grown cocoa fruit. Only fully mature cocoa pods are chosen for harvest. Each pod is removed by hand to protect the tree. Thousands of pods are gathered during harvest season. The harvested crop moves toward the processing area. Collected pods are prepared for opening. Inside every pod are the precious cocoa beans.
Fresh beans are separated from the pod shell.
Fermentation begins developing chocolate's future flavor. Over several days, natural reactions transform the beans.
Regular turning ensures consistent fermentation.
Drying reduces moisture and stabilizes the beans.
Continuous movement helps achieve uniform drying.
Careful monitoring protects bean quality. Only properly dried beans move forward. The prepared beans are packed for transport. Harvested cocoa now begins its industrial journey. From the farm, the beans travel toward chocolate production. Reliable transportation protects the valuable halve.
Careful logistics keep production moving on schedule. The beans travel hundreds of kilometers before processing. Transportation networks connect farms to manufacturing centers. Documentation ensures every shipment remains traceable. The destination factory grows closer with every kilometer.
The cocoa supply chain now enters the manufacturing stage. Every shipment follows a carefully planned route. At last, the beans reach the chocolate factory.
Every incoming shipment is verified before entry. The cargo moves directly toward unloading operations. Internal logistics ensure efficient material flow. Internal logistics ensure efficient material flow.
Factory teams prepare to receive the cocoa beans.
Precise positioning ensures safe unloading. The raw material is ready for transfer into the factory. Easy now, clear the top edge. Watch the balance, keep it steady.
The cocoa beans are now ready for factory processing. Every shipment is recorded before entering production.
Digital tracking ensures complete product traceability.
Incoming materials are verified against shipping records.
Inside this facility, cocoa beans become chocolate products.
Strict procedures govern every production area.
Safety remains essential throughout the manufacturing process. Operations are coordinated from a central network.
Real-time monitoring keeps production running efficiently. The journey from raw bean to chocolate begins here. The journey from raw bean to chocolate begins here. Automated systems move materials through the facility.
Raw cocoa beans enter the factory processing stream.
The beans move toward cleaning and preparation. Controlled feeding maintains a steady production flow.
Preparation systems remove unwanted materials before processing.
Every stage is carefully arranged for maximum efficiency.
It's a teacher in charge fully for inspection.
Routine inspections help maintain product quality. The first processing stage is about to begin. The first task is removing unwanted material from the cocoa beans. The first task is removing unwanted material from the cocoa beans. Mechanical cleaning prepares the beans for further processing. Air systems remove fine particles and impurities. Screening ensures consistent bean size before processing. Additional safeguards help maintain food safety standards.
High-speed inspection systems analyze every bean.
Color and surface quality are checked automatically.
Only suitable cocoa beans remain in production.
The cleaned batch advances to manual verification.
Human expertise complements automated inspection.
Temporary storage balances the factory workflow. The production stream continues at a controlled pace.
Vertical transport systems maximize factory space.
The next stage will unlock the cocoa's rich aroma. Preparation is complete and roasting begins. Heat now begins transforming cocoa into the foundation of chocolate.
Roasting develops the deep flavors associated with chocolate. Precise temperature control ensures consistent flavor development. After roasting, the beans must cool before further processing.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the roasted cocoa beans.
The roasted beans are broken into smaller fragments. The protective shell is removed from the cocoa nib. The nibs are staged before grinding begins. Grinding releases the natural cocoa butter inside the nib. The result is a smooth cocoa paste, known as cocoa liquor. The cocoa liquor moves deeper into the production process. Temperature control keeps the cocoa liquor ready for processing. Refining begins, improving the texture of the chocolate base. Particle size is reduced for a smoother final product. The refined cocoa mass forms the foundation of chocolate.
Every batch is monitored for consistency and quality.
The cocoa base is now ready to become chocolate. The next stage transforms cocoa into finished chocolate. The transformation into chocolate begins inside industrial mixers. Carefully measured ingredients define the chocolate recipe. Sugar contributes sweetness and texture. Milk ingredients create a smoother chocolate profile. Continuous mixing creates a uniform chocolate blend. The chocolate begins developing its signature consistency.
Further refining improves smoothness and mouthfeel.
Particle reduction creates the texture consumers expect. Refined chocolate advances to flavor development. Conching is one of the most important stages in chocolate making. This process develops flavor and texture simultaneously. Hours of conching refine the chocolate's character. Additional cocoa butter improves texture and processing performance.
The refined chocolate advances to the next critical stage.
Tempering prepares chocolate for its final structure. Careful temperature control creates the perfect chocolate texture.
Now the chocolate is ready for automated production.
Automation now takes over the production process.
Precision equipment ensures consistent product formation.
Every mold receives an exact amount of chocolate.
Controlled vibration improves product quality. Only approved products move forward. Each cooling zone serves a specific purpose. Continuous monitoring maintains stable conditions.
The chocolate is now ready to leave its molds.
Automated equipment removes the finished shapes.
Uniformity is essential for large-scale production.
Advanced cameras verify appearance and dimensions.
Automation increases speed while maintaining precision.
Integrated systems coordinate thousands of products every hour.
Every stage generates valuable production information.
The finishing stage prepares every chocolate bar for packaging.
Proper alignment ensures smooth downstream processing.
Detailed inspection identifies even minor imperfections.
Vision systems help maintain strict quality standards. Precision finishing creates a consistent appearance. Every product must meet precise weight requirements. Automated verification supports production consistency.
Finishing processes enhance the final presentation.
The products are organized for efficient packaging.
Buffer systems help maintain uninterrupted production.
Packaging materials are prepared for the next operation.
Precise timing ensures efficient wrapping. Every package is formed with precision.